Alright guys, he took the next load down already, and now he's busting out with a bulldozer. So he cleaned up this area. You might have saw that on video. He was working over there. So we're just going to watch him. Yeah, he's getting to it, isn't he, Ma?
Oh, he's so good at what he does.
It's amazing to watch him. It really is.
It is. It's enjoyable.
It really is.
It's like an artist at work.
You know what? That's exactly what he is with being able to use those machines the way that he does. And he does it with such, it's so effortless for him.
Yep.
But when you have, 30 plus years of experience of doing something, that sure does make a difference. Oh boy. It is getting there. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Now he was digging in here. If I'm not mistaken, the next load that he takes out of here will be number 10. He doesn't have anything in the truck right now. He just was getting this cleared out this way. When you come back around that way, Bill, could you throw that pile farther back that way?
Yeah, I gotta get this cleaned up first.
No, I know. I'm when you get a chance, if you could push that all farther so it's more compacted together.
Yep.
I mean, I'm just asking.
Yep. Yeah, I gotta get in here and pull this.
Yep.
To the back fork here, yeah.
Right. Hey, it's coming together. There's a light at the end of the tunnel.
Is there? They're off them locust trees there.
Right.
They're attached.
Right. Oh, okay.
Like those stumps that I took out there, they all grow together.
Right.
This tree's connected to that one, and this one's probably connected even to that one.
Well, we're gonna get them all. They're all gonna come out of here.
Yeah, but I mean, time being, you can take this pair of nippers there, and I'll smooth that over. But
Right. Okay.
you can't do too much with it with the
Right.
with the roots, because they're all attached. And they're green here. There's a long one right there that'll have to be probably cut off.
Oh, I gotcha. All right.
One here.
Yep. I can do that.
There's one right there too.
All right.
I think this one's attached.
Yep. There was a log on that side that fell, so he's grabbing that. I think he's got to get out and push it in the bucket. But yeah, she definitely looks much better. Like I said, this will be a couple of loads here, I'm thinking. Like I said, the next load will be load number 10. So it's amazing. It's really amazing. You know, I'm looking at this locust tree, And I'm thinking he could drop that right that way. Right down there. Oh, it'll be interesting. It'll be interesting. We'll see. I'll have to ask Dennis. Dennis will know which way to go with it. Because it's definitely leaning. If you see that, you can see the lean in that tree that it's leaning that way. So this load here will be load number 10. If I'm not lost count at this point of the day, it's been a long day. Isn't that amazing? So for those of you that said, oh, you should have saved that wood and burned it, this wood's been down for 8 years. So a lot of it's really soft and rotted. Some of it was still pretty hard, but I just wanted this cleaned up. Wonder if he's going to take another one or not. I'm thinking that's going to be the last one he puts on this load. All right, guys. Well, listen, I'm going to go ahead and jump off. I'm going to let him get when he gets the rest of this cleaned up. I'll show you more stuff that he's doing. But we're getting there. Lots of videos, I know. And I hope you aren't bored again by these. I'm not. I'm fascinated. It's like watching an artist paint with watching Bill work these machines because he's that good. So anyway, remember, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race, which is important, and people need to remember that. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD. Step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that can stop you from reaching those goals is you. That's it. Nobody else can stop you. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. All right? I will see you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.